Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you, actually I have to go to that address, specific address. So I just went to Google Earth to see, sometimes you have to see the real, three-dimensional images so that you can capture more, better in your mindset. So it is in downtown Toronto, area of downtown. And what I found near my address while I was observing the street, and the guy, one capture here, Google Images capture, is very interesting. You can see it here. The first, just he was gazing, and now the second side, just he was pointing something else. All right, so then after that I was really curious what Google Earth is doing, right? Yes, we all know that Google Earth takes images two-dimensional into a three-dimensional program that maps the surface of the planet. However, at the time during mapping process, Google algorithm has failed and some wacky image have been result. So this one made me more curious, and I started to googling down crazy images caught on Google Street View, from crazy camera glitches to timely prank to elaborate performance art pieces. Google Street View has captured some surprising images. Here we go. So what do you guys think about these bizarre photos caught by Google Maps? And make sure do write me back comment. So what do you guys think on Google Maps? Are they actually better than police? And what is in your mind while you scrolling down these images? Please make sure write down your comment below, and I'll be happy to observe your comments, and we go from there. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my channel. This is Sonam Toronto, and you guys have a wonderful days, years ahead. Bye for now, and just enjoy. Thank you.